In this brief tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to resolve the common Instagram login error displaying, "Sorry, there was a problem with your request." This error often arises due to issues with the information entered or Instagram servers. However, you can follow these simple steps to address it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to General. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management and ensure you disconnect from any VPN connections. Also, ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection before attempting to log in. If your internet connection is stable, proceed to clear the Instagram app cache. Go back to Settings and tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll through the list of apps and locate Instagram. Tap on it, then select Offload App, followed by Reinstall App. This process removes any outdated data stored in the cache, which could be causing the login error. After clearing the cache, attempt to log in to Instagram again to check if the error has been resolved. That concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions about these steps, feel free to ask in the comments section. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.